Hello everyone. Once again, I am Pratima from Al-Khamsa Private School going to introduce you the topic about time. T-I-M-E, time. Why do we measure time? Time is very important. Time measurement is needed for maintaining the duration of life events in a specific way, in a strategic way, in a disciplined way. How do we measure time? In early years, people used to measure time by the sun, sundial, moon, stars, by the direction and length of shadows and so on. But today, the usual measuring instruments for time are clocks and watches. So now let's know about clocks. There are two types of clocks. The one is analog clock, another is digital clock. Analog clock, digital clock. So now let's write. Analog clock, digital clock. Analog clock, digital clock. Analog clock, digital clock. Okay. So now let me introduce you how do they look like. This is one analog clock. The numbers from 1 to 12 are fixed in a clockwise order. The units of time are hours, minutes and seconds. So here you can see there are three hands: second hand, minute hand and hour hand. The taller and thinner and moves faster one is second hand. It takes one complete clockwise rotation and makes 60 seconds. 60 seconds. 60 seconds is 1 minute. So 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Now comes to the little shorter one, taller one than the hour hand, and it moves little faster than hour hand. Okay, so that is minute hand. It also moves around the numbers and it takes one complete clockwise rotation and makes 60 minutes. The minute hand. 60 minutes. 60 minutes is 1 hour. So here now you learn 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay. The last one, the shortest and the slowest one, that is hour hand. It also moves around the numbers and it takes one complete clockwise rotation and makes 12 hours. 12 hours. 1 day. It makes 1 day. Okay. So what you learn now? 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds and 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. And 1 day 12 hours. Okay. Now here there is another analog clock. I have made it and you also can make your own clock. Okay. Here I have mentioned from 1 to 12. 5 table 5 I have mentioned here around the numbers. Means the minute hand, when it moves from 12 and ends at 12, it makes 60 minutes. So here it works the table 5. Okay. So it is easy to calculate the time. Okay. When the minute hand is on 2, it is 10 minutes. When the minute hand is on 6, 6 times 5, 30. Like this we calculate the time. Okay. Now here that is a digital clock. In digital clock, the numbers or the digits are displayed on a digital clock. Here to read the time on digital clock very easy, because in analog clock you have to look at the time and calculate the time and say the time, but here it is already mentioned. Okay, what time is it? Is it 12 o'clock? Okay, very good. And here in analog clock, what is the time now? The hour hand is on 12, between 12 and 1, and minute hand on 6, approximately on 6. So 12:30. Okay, very good. So now let's learn about AM, PM. When we say time, because for the day and night different time, so the times are classified into two types, AM and PM. So what is AM and PM? AM is ante-meridiem. Ante means before, meridiem means afternoon or midday. Okay, before midday means before 12 noon. Okay, then next one is PM. PM, post meridiem, after the midday, after 12. Okay, after 12. So AM is from 12, the night after 12 till 11:59 or before 12. Then PM starts after 12 till the night before 12. Okay. So now let's discuss which unit of time do you use to measure when you are writing your names, your surname. Second, minute or hour. Seconds, minutes or hour. Which unit you use when you write your name, surname? Seconds, because it takes very small time, seconds. Okay. The next, when you are eating breakfast, which unit we use? Breakfast. Do you take hours for doing breakfast? No. Minutes. Okay. When you are doing your studies or you are going for shopping or you are on a long drive, which unit we use? Hours. Very good. Okay. So now let's do some exercise. Here there are 3 analog clocks. So look at the clocks and read the time. Okay, say the time. Here the minute hand is on 3 and hour hand after 1. So minute hand on 3 means 3 times 5, 15. So 1 and 15. In digital clock, how we write in 2 ways, in digital way and analog way. So 1:15 we write in digital way, digital clock we write 1:15 in digits, and in analog clock or in a sentence, how we write in words? 15 minutes past to 1. 15 minutes past to 1. Okay? Right. The second one, let me see. The hour hand is in between, after 9, in between 9 and 10, and minute hand is on 3 and hour hand after 9. So same here, 3 times 5, 15. That means 9 and 15. So how we write in words? 15 minutes past to 9. Okay. The last one. Okay. The hour hand is after 5 and same minute hand on 3. 3 times 5, 15. So how we write? 5 and 15. 5, 15. So in words, 15 minutes past to 5. Okay. Now here this is one task to match the digital clock, analog clock, and in words. Okay. Here the first one, 6:15. Let's find out 6:15 in words, that is 15 minutes past. 15 is also called as quarter. Okay. So quarter past 6, where? Quarter past 6. Okay. And in analog clock, after 6, here it is. Okay. So the next one, 11:15. Quarter past 11, where it is? Quarter past 11. And in analog clock, after 11, yes, I found it. And the last one, 3:15. 3:15. Obviously the last one is just one left over. So 3:15 in analog clock, and in words, quarter past 3. Quarter past 3. Okay. Very good. Now the last one. Here the children are here in picture. First picture, the children are doing, eating. Okay. So there are 2 clocks. What time they start, what time they finish. Okay. So they start at 12:30 because hour hand after 12 and minute hand on 6. So 12:30. And what time exactly they have finished? 1 o'clock. Because hour hand on 1 and minute hand on 12. 1 o'clock. So how long did they take for eating? From 12:30 to 1 o'clock. From 12:30 to 1 o'clock. Same formula here. Table 5. From 6 to 12. 5, 5, 5, 5. If you count, 30 minutes or half an hour. Okay. So they took half an hour for eating. Okay. The second one, children are playing. What time they start, what time they finish playing. Okay. They start at 1:15 and they finish at 1:30. Okay. So 1:15 to 1:30. 1:15. 15 means here on 3 and finished at 1:30. So count 5, 10 and 15. 15 minutes. So they took 15 minutes for playing. Okay. I hope you understood it well. Okay. So for today, this is enough. This is the lesson about time for today. So we will continue in the next lesson.